All right, Hurricane Sandy, pre-hurricane. This is as of 11 o'clock. Let's refresh that. Okay, by 11 o'clock, and it is now 1:50, so it'll be updating, I guess, every 3 hours in 10 minutes. But meanwhile, this is what it says. And today is the 29th of October 2012. So there we are. There's the eye there, and there's New Jersey, and we're right about there. So it's going to hit pretty much Atlantic City and then go inland, and this is where the cone is. And if you looked at the isobar maps, this is where we are now. So there's the hurricane coming in, and then we go to early evening, and at that point you see that it's it's kind of getting in, but right now it's a little bit off shore there. There's the eye, and we're right there, so it's going around that way. So we're getting these tight bands, and then by morning you see that it's already we're over here, and its eye somewhere over there. All right, so let's see what's going on. We'll do a little quick walkabout before the camera gets too wet. Kitchen, and let me just get a little plastic for the camera. Just so we have. Can I keep it? See how this goes. We'll go out now. We'll go out this door here. Here's as it is outside. I want to extend this plastic so we don't get the lens too wet there. Here's the water. Coming down pretty good. Nice fall foliage here. Nice. And trees moving around. This guy here, that's what I'm worried about. Here we go. Compost. This is where my lawn is to go windy later on. Lock that up, and then back inside. Yeah. Oh. And lock that off. And that's it for now.